Derek, we're going to give you road hazard, which is tire and wheel coverage for the next year. And by the way, this is the benefit that our customers most frequently take advantage of. You ever had a flat tire?
Yes, sir. Absolutely.
Okay, when you had the flat tire, were they able to repair it, or did you have to replace the tire?
It wasn't when I had it. It was a nail, so they were able to repair it.
Okay, that's good news. If you get a nail in your tire for the next year, we're going to repair it for you. However, if you get a nail in the sidewall, it cannot be repaired. We'll buy you a brand new tire. No deductible. All right, completely on us. We'll do this an unlimited number of times. If you hit anything between the curbs, okay, that could be a pothole, a nail, a screwdriver. I saw a tire the other day that had a pipe wrench stuck all the way through it.
Wow.
Okay, if you run into anything and it blows that tire, we'll pay to have it fixed if it can be fixed. We'll pay to replace it if it can't be fixed. And if you hit something hard enough to bend or break the wheel to the point where it will not hold air, we'll buy you a new wheel. Okay? Again, we'll do this an unlimited number of times over the next 12 months. And if you plan on keeping your vehicle longer than 12 months, make sure you check with our finance department. They'll show you how to extend this coverage.
Awesome. Yeah, I had a guy had a